Enabling or disabling Tap to Wake on the Google Pixel 9 allows you to quickly check your screen by tapping it, making it easier to view notifications without pressing the power button. Here's how it's done. To enable or disable this feature, open Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down and tap on Display. Next, in the Display menu, go to Lock Screen and tap on it. Scroll down until you see Tap to Check Phone under the When to Show section. If this feature is currently on, you'll be able to wake the screen by tapping it. To turn it off, just tap on this option and switch it off. Now, when you tap the screen, nothing will happen. You'll need to press the side button to wake up the screen instead. With the feature on, all you have to do is tap the screen once and it'll wake up so you can check your phone at any time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Good luck.